Hey guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing my video. Thank you for subscribing. Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Here is me sanding the deck for painting. This is one of the videos that I took that I wanted to include it in this new project to show you how everything came along, how everything took shape, and how we did things here. I mean, I'm removing the old paint, trying to sand it down so I could paint it so it could look good. Um, Also, this is what the second video or the DIY desk skirting project part two. I did a part one, so this is the part two. This is going to be the final project. So here is some pictures that I included so you could see how the deck used to look and how the deck went up looking. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you could learn something from it. And once again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. So once again, here is how the deck came along or is coming along. We still have in those pictures you still in that video you still see we're still working on it. Something that I did very wrong here is very dangerous, which I would not recommend. Anytime you're gonna be doing something that not gonna be safe, I would suggest to stop and don't do it. You see in this part I'm using a shovel with sandals. I mean that's not safe at all. I could have missed my target and slide open my feet. That's what I asked my wife to hand me my working boot, so like that I could be safe. So every time you're gonna be doing a project, whether it's big, small, or medium, or whatever, be careful. Make sure, like I said, you have the proper gear, the proper tools available for you to use. Otherwise, it could be very dangerous. Okay, safety first. Safety first when you are involved in doing anything that requires shovel, electricity, hammers, and all that good stuff. So as you can see, how the deck is coming along. We tainted the bottom part. We put new soil. We added new soil. We added mulch. We had some new plants. I mean, it came out the way we thought it was gonna come out. The way we knew it was gonna come out because we put a lot of effort into it. I'm gonna show you more pictures that we took in this video so you could see how everything is coming along, how everything is coming together. You could see it's still right there in that part in that image is still work in progress. But as you could see, we started improving a little bit until we got to the point that we said it's done, looking good. As you could see, with a new plan, with a new mulch, painted. Clean. I mean, the deck came out the way we wanted to come out. We put some lighting in the deck. Those wooden boxes there, those are called planters. I built them myself. I mean, it was a very rewarding project. I learned a lot from it. As you could see, the deck is painted nice. It looked like we could eat there now. We could use it now for family gathering. So here I'm gonna leave you a link of the first video that I took. We call DIY Dirt Skirting Project Part 1 step by step. So once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting Omarete Vilato, the basement production.